minutes?
12. Hey, this is Michael Anthony at Signs, Sights, Sounds Traveling the World, overcoming fears, discovering who I'm meant to be, and challenging you as you join me on this adventure of a lifetime. If you are into fun, unfiltered, positive vibes from a guy who's dyslexic with ADD and crazy in all the best ways, stick around to the end because this channel's for you. Today, we're in Athens, Greece. The story with Athens and Greece is it is one of the oldest cities in the world. Dates back to about 3500 BC. So that means there's over 5,000 years of history. It's rich, rich, rich in culture. And in addition, it also is the birthplace of democracy. Ah, the fresh smell of diesel at a seaport. Are you ready to step foot on mainland Greece? We're not there yet. You ready? 1, 2, boom! Here we are. Ah, feels great to be in Greece. We are doing something I shit talk, and that is we are on a hop on, hop off bus. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna have some fun up here in the sun, baby. So let me know, do you ever do hop on, hop off bus tours? I've only done one once before. It was in London. It really wasn't that bad. I think I just shit talk them because they typically have been they're like, I don't know, 80 euros or something like that, stupid. And I'm like, not worth it. But this one was 20 euros, totally worth it. Transportation, because from the port to downtown Athens is about 30, 40 minutes. So, you know, that's easily an Uber or a taxi. So anyways, we are gonna see some architectural marvels. We took the hop on, hop off green line from Piraeus, which is the cruise port, to Athens, and it dropped us off right at the Temple of Zeus. We are going to explore the Temple of Zeus as well as see the site of what I believe was the first Olympics, if not the very early Olympics. If you're ready to get going, smash that like button and buckle up because we're going, baby. We are going back in time. Da, 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 da. We're in. So the parks do charge admission to help with maintenance and things of that nature. The city does not fund that. 8 euros, I think, given the fact we're able to walk amongst thousands of year-old buildings. Personally, I like to keep things positive. I also keep things real. And I will say that the grounds are not kept up the best. So the city of Athens could do a slightly better job at that. Just in my opinion, you let me know yours. That said, I'm extremely grateful to be able to be here. Look at the size of these structures and imagine 100 of them or so running across here, carrying the weight of hundreds of thousands of tons. My mind literally being here doesn't wrap around how they did this, how they made it work. It's mind-blowing. Now, what's fascinating, I don't know what this means, but that symbol on the right that I started with on this, I saw that in Morocco as a city sewer, an old city sewer grate that they had. That same type of star marking. So I wonder if that's a marking from the Romans, because that was an old Roman city that I was in Morocco. We are at the site of the first modern Olympics, dating back to 1896. Okay, 1896. Are you ready to see the beauty? Look at this. I mean, we set out to find human kindness, and my guy right here let me walk in and take photos of those signs right there. I simply asked, he gave me this and let me walk in to take pictures of the signs. I'm not abusing it. I came back out. I'm a person of my word, And that's what it takes in life to continue the kindness in humankind, to grow. Just do what you say what you do, and be kind when it's in your power, right? Next up, we're gonna...
It's me again!
As I'm walking down the street here and seeing these homes, I'm reminded that not too many years ago, Greece itself was on the brink of being economically wiped off the planet. Its entire government and financial system becoming insolvent, meaning it's got debt, it's going down the drain. And that impacted this economy, and the psychological impact on the community as a whole is something that I know I felt deeply about. Well, maybe 7 years ago I was here in Athens, and it was felt very strongly. Today, I feel a different Athens, joyfully. I feel people being happy. I feel an air of hope that was not here 7 years ago. I found a local spot. I don't even know how to pronounce it because it's all in Greek, but we got kids on scooters behind me. You know, all the locals here are eating out. You know what? This is what happens when you walk a block or two off of main streets. Let's go ahead, grab something to eat, maybe something to drink, and see how it is. All right. This is the wildest meal we've had yet, because something I forgot is that in Greece, you're using the Grecian alphabet, so there's not common language and letters. Now this place does have, I'll show you, on their menu, you can scan that QR code and then select English as an option. That didn't do much for me. So fortunately, a server was like, hey, what's your favorite? He ordered me something. I don't know what it is, but it looks like it has some sort of yogurt and meat and sauce and onions maybe and deliciousness. I'm honestly not even sure how to eat this. Holy cow. Oh my God, I don't even give a shit what this is, because just label it awesome. Oh my Lord, so good. We have dakos here, D-A-K-O-S. And this is a very traditional, well, a little spin on it because this has avocado, served kind of as a tapas and, for lack of better terms, peasant food. Have you ever had this? I haven't. The bread is very dry, like crouton level. Oh. There's a sweetness. So the bread is dry, but on the outside it's been soaked, like briefly dipped in something. And then there's a sweetness to it, maybe from the balsamic. This is very messy. It is a strong liquor, upwards of 180 proof, okay? So, salute to health. Thank you. The one thing I'm not liking are green olives. What did he just bring me? House rules. I'm gonna eat one. You know what? Fuck it. I'm eating one right now. You're gonna watch me because I'm not a little bitch. Oh wait. There it is. It has a nut in it. I'm telling myself I like these. Okay, y'all. Next up on the docket, switching gears real quick, we're gonna head back to kind of the old Greece center, and I don't know, just see what happens. travel tip alert. If you don't want to wait in line like I just did, go to etickets.tap.gr for Greece. That's etickets.tap.gr. Not paid. Maybe they'll sponsor me at some point. Right now, this is just the way to do it. You avoid the line to get into the Acropolis. Oh dear Jesus. Okay, 20 euros to go into the Acropolis here. My good night. I forgot to tell you guys what the total was for this restaurant. It was $19.50. Or it was 19 euros and 50 cents. Tip all of it. Full shot, 2 shareables. I mean, 2 people could have eaten for basically 20 bucks. Look at this view. Talk about a concert venue. Look at the steepness of this right here. You ready? On your marks. Get set. Bow. Look at this. You imagine playing on that stage to 5,000, 8,000 people. Let's talk conspiracies. There's a centaur at the top corner of this temple. Do you believe they ever existed? Where did the idea of them come from? If not, is it just myth and mythology from creative thinking? Let's have a conversation here. An open, honest conversation. Unknown history fills me with wonder. And I love to, much like with sci-fi, just fantasize about what the future looks like. I also will get drawn to what did the past truly look like. So behind us right over here is what's believed to be the original temple dedicated to Athena, the goddess of Athens. Or rather, Athens was dedicated to Athena. Was it worth 20 euros? Abso-freaking-lutely. This was priceless. I hope you feel like you just got transported to Athens, Greece, at the Acropolis. Mother trucker. To the Acropolis. Ugh, I did it. Oh. I did it. Thank you. Magic. Magic, baby. Okay, now it's time to catch a cab back. We're about half hour, 40 minutes away, and the ship leaves in about an hour. Criminal. 12. I'm really cutting it close this time. I've only got 12 minutes left to get to the terminal, go through processing, and make it onto the ship. If the traffic doesn't lighten up, I might actually get left behind for real this time. Pro tip, plan on an extra 40 minutes of traffic. Twice I've cut it close here, having to basically run. So, all right, y'all, we did it. We are here. The taxi driver was awesome. And what an amazing day. What a gift today was. So if you enjoyed it, let me know if you would come to Athens. What would you do? All right, peace.
We've been waiting for so long.